बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम इंशाअल्लाह माशाअल्लाह सुभानअल्लाह. A small but interesting topic. Many countries of the world, they show the moon with the star on the face of the moon. Now this is simply impossible because the moon is the nearest heavenly object to the earth, and every other planets etc. are much more distant than the moon. So whenever any object will come towards the moon, it will be invisible because it will be on the other side of the moon, because it is more distant. And no object will come on the visible side of the moon. Therefore, when Venus comes, it comes from one side, and when it comes exactly in the same straight path of the moon, it becomes invisible on the other side, and then it becomes visible after it crosses the moon and goes out. But as long as the moon is there, it is besides the moon, behind the moon. Some countries who have shown the star in the face of the moon are Pakistan, Turkey, Tunis, Algeria, Malaysia, Libya, Mauritania and Azerbaijan. So this is something impossible, and living in a scientific age now, we should all try to be as scientific as possible, because scientific facts which are ascertainable and which are beyond doubt, they should be always manifest in the everyday life of men. So with this I take your leave. Allah Hafiz.